What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. We're back with the third version of the GA-V01, the Cool Eyes G-SHOCK series. Let's check it out. Let's go. Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. We're back with the third iteration, the third colorway of the GA-V01, the Cool Eyes G-SHOCK Watch. Here's the model number, the GA-V01-2A PFK, and the 2 usually stands for blue, but it's this case, it's more of a purple colorway. I guess it's the same kind of color code for that model, but let's open this baby up and see what we're working with for this G-SHOCK watch. And watch my first video of the black one for all the full details and specs of this watch. This is more of an overview of that watch, and then looking particularly at the colorway of this model. The module number is 5751. This is the manual in Chinese. I'll reiterate once again, I repeat, this watch in this container is the Chinese version of the watch. A US version of the watch will be released in May. It's on the website. May 2025 will be coming to the United States for a retail price of $140. So that will not, most likely, don't quote me, but I'm an expert on the subject. This will not include this special edition, limited edition box or container. It will have a standard tin or standard box with the release. So here is the Chinese version release. The Chinese market version, the special edition, which includes this beautiful container, which many call a sea mine, because it does look like a sea mine, doesn't it? Floating in the water there, but it's cool. It's got the cool eyes. It's got the cool looking design there. You can see that there, opens up like so. There you go, and there you have it. So I thought it was purple. I see why they numbered it a 2 for blue, because it does look kind of blue to me in real life, but I thought it's more purple. So I don't know. Is it purple or is it blue? Depends what you look at it. The hands for sure are a cotton candy blue. This to me looks more purple than blue, but I can see how that could kind of change between in the sun and light. The bottom of the band looks more blue. I want to say that's actually pretty cool. Look at that. See the difference in color? It's a blue versus a purple. And again, it might be the lighting. That's cool. That's a nice colorway though. It's, again, very vibrant. It reminds me of the Evangelion purple one. Kind of similar colorway. But there you guys have that one. It's the GA-V01-9 purple colorway. All right. I like that. I like this one. Cool. I don't know which one's my favorite so far. The vibrant yellow is pretty neat. I like the vibrant look on that. It's very bright, not subtle at all. Stands out on your wrist. I mean, it's already big, so it's a conversation starter. And once you put that on the wrist, it looks pretty good. This purple one, blue one, whatever you want to call it, it's pretty good too, if you ask me. So again, the display on this one, you can see that the hands are like a blue color on the hour and minute hand. The minute hand again has the tip there with the crop circles, like some people called it. The crop circles, the alien crop circles in white. It's not metallic, but it's pretty neat. Again, I mentioned before in my last video, it does have Lume on the tip of the hour and the tip of the minute hand. So it's a nice little added feature there. It does have dual LED on this watch. So you can see there, right there. It looks pretty good. The dual LED lights up the analog display and also the digital display on there. And I'll repeat it once again. The left window on this watch shows you the modes, and it changes between all the mode window changes between all the different modes you're in. Gives you the home time, world time, stopwatch, timer, and alarm functions, which you can alternate with the push of this here button on the bottom left, like so. All right, the top one is for setting the time. So you push and hold, you can set it like so. Now, usually out of the box, straight from the manufacturer, you don't have a problem with the alignment. But if in case down the line, for some reason, the digital time does not match the analog time. So we'll show you here. See how it says 8:02, right on, spot on, right? But say that does not align, it's misaligned for some reason. You push and hold this until you see HND on the screen. Keep holding, keep holding, keep holding. H set, sorry. You see hand sets, and then you see the sub so far. You can set the sub, push the bottom left, and you can see the hour and minute hand will swing all the way around until it stops. It should hit and all the way, and both the hour and minute hand should be pointing at the 12 o'clock position. That is the 0 position for this watch, like you see there. And that's where it should be for the analog and the digital time to match. Say if it's not aligned, you push the button right here, and this is counterclockwise. And so make sure they're pointing to the 12 o'clock position. Otherwise, your time would not match. I think I exited by accident. 8:04, you see, so there it goes. See how that's not aligned? It says 8:04 on the digital time, but it's 8:25 approximately on the screen there. For the analog, it does not match, and that's how you align it. You have to go into the handset, make sure that the hour and the minute hand are both pointing to 12 o'clock. That zeroes out the time, the analog time, and that will match the digital time. That's how you set that up, okay? And I'm gonna fix it now. Notice how it says 8:05. That will swing around. In my correcting how to fix that, you do push and hold this until it says hour set or hand set. And then you use the top right one to go counterclockwise, the top or the bottom right one to go clockwise. That's how you actually correct that. So now it says 8:05, 8:06. And that's, you can see that 8:06 about to show right now, 8:06. And that's how you correct your analog and digital time. All right, guys, and there you have it. The GA-V01, the cool eyes. Again, this one is manufactured in Japan, and then it is encased in Thailand. GA-V01 model number 5751 is the module number for this watch. Very neat, very cool watch. Hopefully you like that so far. Which one you like? Let me know. Do you like the blue one, the green one, or you like the black one? Next up is a treat, and there's some special news with that one. So stand by and wait for my next video. Hit the subscribe button, hit the reminder to get some news about the next colorway. It's kind of important. If you haven't seen my for sale video, here is the link to that video. A lot of cool watches under retail at under market value as well. A lot of options to choose from. Check that video out. Let me know if you're interested in any of them. And hopefully you enjoy this video as well as any others that I put out. Thanks so much. Till next time, this is Chicago. Holla at your boy. I'm out of here. Cool eyes. Peace.
My G-SHOCK, I'm rocking 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 my G-SHOCK.